Tracking your mood can help you identify patterns in your emotions, understand triggers, and make conscious decisions to better manage your mental health as well as recognize and appreciate the positive moments in your life. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to show you the updated version of my mood tracker template that I created in Notion. In this video I will walk you through how to use it. But before we begin, if you have previously purchased this template, please go back to Gumroad and check for the new template. After you download the template, this is how it looks like. You have two sections here and the database down there. There is mood pixels and moods. First, let's take a look at the table view. Here you can input your mood for each day. You will find all moods input in this table, categorized in toggles. You will see more moods underneath each one, with a total of 3 levels. For you to decide which mood do you want, instead of scrolling through this list, you will just check the mood here and then type it there. And voila, you are done. But this is not all. Here in the total mood count, you will also see the moods, but with a count. So if I input bad here, I'm feeling bad today, you will see it reflecting here. Let's input one more time. And see. You can view for 3 levels, for level 1, level 2, and level 3. So when you are done inputting the data, it will look like this. It will look something like this. And these are the counts. Okay, let me show you for level 3 too. Okay, here. So, once you are done inputting your mood data, you click on the pixels view and see how it looks like. There are two views for pixels, table view and list view. You can decide which one you like more. You can use these views in your dashboard. So previously, I didn't have this, and I had this view which was quite useless because it didn't look good here. And here, there are no empty circles for each day. So it's not really reflecting underneath the specific day. In the table view, if I input in day 4, let's say angry, that is red. Let's go to pixel. It is reflecting here. But if I choose something there in February or any other month, it will look like this. And it's not really underneath the specific month, it is shifting a little bit to the left. And in the list view, it's not really reflecting in the specified month. So it was ugly and it's not really reflecting or showing which day you feel what. Like, it's messed up. So that's why I decided to make it look this way. The empty days will show an empty circle. Same thing for the list view. And what you can really do with this is you could just add it to your dashboard and see how it's looking like. So let's say, for example, you like this look. What you can do is do something like this and this. You can actually take this table and input it to your dashboard and see how many times you were sad, how many times you felt angry or tired or whatever. It's really fun template and I just like to use it. You can do the same thing for the list too. Or you can even take this table and this table and put them like a widget. Put this one as a widget at the top of your dashboard here and have fun. I hope you'll find this template helpful and thank you for watching. I forgot to mention one thing, and that is when you are done with the year. So let's say you finished and you filled the whole year and you want to fill for 2024. What are you going to do? So it's easy. I created this property which is called year. So what you have to do is you go to the input mode table and you can input the for next year, but this is when next year comes. Then go to filter and filter by the specified year, by this year. So this year is 2023, maybe when it's 2024 you just add 2024. You don't have to add anything, just go directly to the filter and change this to 2024 and voila, it's done. And how this is working is that inside here, if you go there by created time, it is 2023, and then you filter by this using this formula and you are done. But don't forget to add the 00 day. You are going to do the same thing for these, all of them. You will just take all of them and repeat them again for next year. That's it. Thank you.